Hello, guys. How are you doing? Here we are solving some questions. Um, well, we're solving equations, but equations with like weird kind of roots. Let's get straight into it. So the first question is to solve the cube root of 8x minus 1 equals 5. It's all a game of opposite, guys. It's all a game of opposites. Opposite, opposite, opposite. So first thing we need to do is undo this cube root, which is by cubing both sides, leaving us with 8x minus 1 is equal to 5 cubed. And then tidying that up, we get 8x minus 1 is equal to, well, 5 cubed is 125. Then we add 1 to both sides, so 8x is equal to 126. And then dividing both sides by 8, we get x is equal to 126 all over 8. And let me just get that calculator, because I don't know if I'm going to be working that out right now. That's apparently 15.75. That's fine. Okay, let's keep it moving, guys. So here we have 3/4 of the square root of x equals 2. Well, first of all, let's deal with this 3/4. So if we multiply both sides by 4, we get 3 root x is equal to 2 times 4, which is 8. Then dividing by 3, we get the square root of x equals 8 over 3. And then if you square both sides, you get x equals 8 over 3 all squared. And when you square a fraction, you times the numerator, well, you square the numerator, square the denominator. So that's equal to 64 over 9. So therefore, x equals 64 over 9. Let's keep going, guys. One more question. We've got x to the power of minus 2 equals 49. We could think about it like, I don't know. I think a good way to do it is to write this without the negative power. So x to the power of minus 2, well, that is the same thing as 1 over x to the power of 2, and that equals 49. Now, if we apply a cross multiplying, we get 1 equals 49 x squared. So that's multiplying both sides by x squared. Then divide by 49, we get 1 over 49. Ooh, dear, that is not 49. Don't know what was going on in my head. Perhaps you can tell me. 1 over 49 is equal to x squared. And then square rooting both sides, we have the square root of 1 over 49 is equal to x. Or you've actually got another square root, negative square root of 1 over 49 is equal to x. So that's equal to 1 over 7 or minus 1 over 7. Okay, so we've got two answers there. These are our two answers. X is either equal to 1/7 or minus a seventh. Okay, let's do one more. So here we've got a square root and there's more stuff. It looks complex, but it's not that bad. So first of all, we're going to undo the square root by squaring both sides, giving us 10 plus the square root of x equals 16 squared. So 10 plus the square root of x is equal to, well, 16 squared is 256. Then take away 10 from both sides, we get the square root of x is equal to 246. So that means that x, undoing this square root, is 246 squared. And that is going to give us, let me just check that calculator because I don't know, doing that one is a little bit, that's going to be this number. And that's 60,516. And there we go. We're going to continue these kinds of questions in our next video. Stay tuned, guys. And whilst we're at it, let's just get this lovely page up. It's growing, guys. Thank you so much for the support. We're going to keep growing this. Okay? Join the family, and you can also ask questions, any topic in maths, and I will see what I can do. Brilliant stuff.